Guess what? Today we're about to be decorating and setting up my drink station. So there's gonna be teas because I drink a lot of tea, and then also of course hot chocolate. So come join me, step into the kitchen. Okay, so first things first, we've got to get rid of this fall decor because it's incoming Christmas decor time. Y'all, I'm not really sure why I have a wallflower. I guess it smells weird in here. Don't need that. And my mixer, she gets to stay. So definitely want to do hot cocoa. I think I'm gonna put this here in the front. That's gonna be my little box for the decorative type things. Got that from Hobby Lobby. And then I have these jars. These are from Amazon, so I'm gonna put my marshmallows into one. And then in the other one, my hot cocoa powder. And I'm just using my favorite hot cocoa powder. This is the Nestle Rich Milk Chocolate Flavor Hot Cocoa. This is just the best that I've had so far. Like, it's just my fave. Let me know what you guys' favorite hot cocoa powder is. So I think what I'm gonna do is position these behind this hot cocoa little box. I think this is how I want it. Not quite sure yet. Kind of don't like it. Okay. Yep. It's not gonna work. So yeah, just joking. We're gonna put these kind of on the side. Yeah, we're gonna put these to the side. Then I'm gonna move that up a little because I have a sign that I want to put up here. I have this cute little sign, also from Hobby Lobby. It says homemade gingerbread cookies, and it has the ingredients. By the way, I need to make some gingerbread cookies. I'm gonna put this back here. I think that is super cute. Then I'll kind of turn my mixer a little bit. So this is what it's looking like so far. How adorbs. We for sure have to put our stirrers into our little box here. You can get these from literally anywhere. Target, Marshalls, Home Goods. And I've also got these hot cocoa toppers, like these little marshmallow toppers that I'm going to stick here in the middle. She's cute. And yes, I know this is really crowded. I gotta kind of like straighten it a bit. And look, I know you didn't think we were about to hang the mugs without me showing you the mugs. So this first mug here is from Hobby Lobby. I just thought it was really pretty. It reminded me of something from Anthropologie, so I had to get it. Another one I got from Hobby Lobby that I thought was so adorable is this Mary mug. It just says Mary all around in different colors. Super duper pretty. And it's like a glass mug. I think this was from that same line, the Sleigh Bell line. They had some really cute mugs. I could not get all of them, but y'all. Oh. Then I have this one. This one is from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Can't remember which one, but it is super adorable. It just has these gingerbreads, a boy and a girl, and then they're on the other side too. Like, super cute. And then going along with the gingerbread theme, this says, looking like a snack. I got this from Target. This one would make such a cute gift. Also, the other ones would make cute gifts as well. I just have not stumbled upon multiples of these. Everything is like I saw it once and then like never saw these again. And then of course I gotta put up my tea mug. I got this from Target last year, a little monogram tea. Hopefully they have these again this year. I haven't seen them yet. Another Target. I think they had different gingies because I was about to buy another gingy and I was like, you don't need another one. But this gingy is from last year. They definitely have cute ones this year. Also Marshalls, TJ Maxx has some of these as well. And then this one was a TJ Maxx Marshalls find last year. Just adorable. If you see my hot cocoa bar video from last year, I showed this one as well as some different mugs. So if you want to see the mugs I got last year, definitely check that video out. I'll leave it up above. But yes. It is time to hang our mugs. I did get these hooks from Amazon. And again, I do show in last year's video for the hot cocoa bar just how I installed this because I know you're probably wondering. Y'all, this is just so cute. I'm so excited. Look at it. Aww. And I'm also gonna hang a little scooper here. This is just a gold scooper for my hot cocoa. This is from Amazon. And this counter is about to be full because I'm gonna add my little sprinkles. I'm gonna put these over here. That's for my hot cocoa. And then this little ornament here, this is actually a container. Let's see if I can open it. Y'all, I have already broken this opening it. Well, technically washing it. This is where I'm going to put my teas. Still a little bit wet from when I washed it. But yeah, all the tea I had in here, this is also from Target. All of this is going to go into this little container, or at least most of it is. I'm gonna try to fit as many of these as I can into here. And yes, perfect. All of them are fitting, yeah. So yeah, they're all squished in there. And I'm just gonna put on the top. You can't really see the cracks once I close it. But isn't that cute? And I actually decided to rearrange just a little bit. I think this looks a little bit better. I just moved the sprinkles and things to the back and then the ornament to the side. This is adorbs. You guys like it? I'm in love. I think this came out absolutely adorable. I just love a switch up for the holiday season. I love a festive drink bar. And I'm just super excited about the holidays and making fabulous drinks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.